In this video, I'll show you how to do a post void for items and transactions. So when you want to remove an item or a transaction that has already been processed or has been partially paid, you need to do a post void. To do this, use the search bar to find an open transaction. You can search for it by using the customer name, but for this example, let's find a deposit using the receipt number. And then add the open transaction to the cart. Click the More options beside the transaction, and then select Post Void Transaction. From the pop-up, select a reason code, and then press Void. Just click Proceed to Pay to continue to checkout. Now, what about abandoning a sale? For this example, you will also have to do a post void. So let's say you're already here on the checkout and you have processed $10. Then the customer decides to not push through with the sale. First, click on the POS sales link to go back to the cart. You will see a pop-up with a message saying your payment is incomplete. Just click Continue to go back to the cart. You can still just do post void for some items and push through with the sale. But to abandon the sale entirely, do a post void transaction. Click Proceed to Pay to continue to checkout and process it like how you would a normal sale. And that's how you do post voids for items and transactions. That's it for this video. Feel free to visit our website for more information.